for the subject data science in healthcare. In today's video, we'll be focusing on applications and use cases of data science in healthcare. For this, we'll be referring this book by Chandan K. Reddy, Healthcare Data Analytics, Charusya Agrawal, CRC+. So there are many practical healthcare applications and systems which utilize data analytics and data science. One of the areas is fraud detection, though directly not related to medical diagnosis, it still is very important. Coming to the applications mentioned in this book, the first application being mentioned is data analytics for pervasive health. What is pervasive health? Tracking medical well-being and providing long-term medical care with the use of advanced technologies such as wearable sensors, uh, wearable monitors also. What are the challenges? The challenges are knowledge extraction from large volume of data collected and real-time processing. But we have good hardware and software technologies, especially in the data analytics domains and data science domain, to make this a reality. So this helps in reducing the cost of intelligent health systems embedded within the home and living environment. There are many sensor modalities which can be used to develop intelligent health systems, which are wearable and ambient sensors. Wearable sensors are attached to the body or woven into garments. For example, you have 3-axis accelerometer distributed over an individual's body that can provide information about the orientation and movement of the corresponding body part. The second application is healthcare fraud detection. So we know that healthcare is a major aspect in United States combined with insurance, and millions and billions of dollars are spent on healthcare insurance. So healthcare frauds are also huge there. The cost of healthcare are growing. As the costs are growing, the healthcare frauds are also increasing at an alarming uh, pace. So what US is doing is it is at the forefront as far as fraud detection in healthcare is concerned. The complexity of healthcare domain is more because of multiple set of participants, healthcare providers, patients, insurance companies. So detecting healthcare fraud becomes a huge challenge. The next application of healthcare in data sciences, pharmaceutical discoveries. So new drugs are given by various companies. For giving these new drugs, they may be spending millions of dollars on research, and they want to introduce that drug into the market. But it takes a huge amount of time. If you look at the previous history, 10 years, 5 years, 12 years, like that. So this is called as a valley of death, uh, because again, once that their trials are over, they are ready for the market, then they have to go for FDA approval process in clinical trials. So there are interdisciplinary computational approaches that can combine statistics, computer science, medicine, chemoinformatics, and biology. So they help in drug discovery and development. So as far as pharmaceutical discoveries are concerned, data analytics is playing a huge role. It can provide recommendations to the domain experts for hypothesis generation and further analysis and experiments. Where data analytics can be used, it can be used during drug discovery and development. Uh, you can divide that into two categories: pre-marketing and post-marketing stages of drug discovery and development. During the pre-marketing stage, the data analytics focuses on discovery activities. In the post-marketing stage, What data analytics does is finds the adverse side effects for the approved drugs. Coming to the next application of data science in healthcare is clinical decision support systems. They are computer systems which are designed to assist clinicians with patient-related decision making, such as diagnosis and treatment. They can be used for minimizing the analytical errors, used for notifying the physician of harmful drug interactions and their diagnostic procedures. So CDSS helps in decision making and determining optimal treatment strategies about general health. Why CDSS is successful? Because they're electronic, they're seamlessly integrated into clinical workflow, they provide decision support at the appropriate time and location. So the two major areas of utility of CDSS are pharmacy and billing. So what it will be helping the pharmacist is to look for negative drug interactions and report them to the corresponding patients. In the billing department, CDSS have been used to devise treatment plans that can provide an optimal balance of patient care and financial expenses. The next application of data science in healthcare is computer-aided diagnosis. Computer-aided diagnosis detection is used by a radiologist to read medical images. So what is agreed upon by all the clinical experts is that CAD tools can improve the performance of a radiologist. What the radiologist does is he interprets the images as usual, and in the background you have CAD algorithms running, and the structures identified by the CAD algorithms are then highlighted as region of interest to the radiologist. The principal value of CAD tools is determined not by its standalone performance, but rather by carefully measuring the incremental value of CAD in normal clinical practice, such as the number of additional lesions detected using CAD. Secondly, CAD systems must not have a negative impact on patient management. For example, false positives that cause the radiologist to recommend unnecessary biopsies and follow-ups. The next application of data science in healthcare is mobile imaging for biomedical applications. So mobiles, smart devices, smartphones helps in easier imaging at the patient bedside, and they possess the possibility to be made into a diagnostic tool that can be used by medical professionals. Smartphones usually contain at least one high-resolution camera that can be used for image formation. Several challenges arise during the acquisition, visualization, analysis, and management of images in mobile environments. So this was a short description of the topic, applications and use cases of data science in healthcare for the subject, data science in healthcare. I'll stop here. Thank you.